Yeah, hi, morning Luke. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for your jukebox. It's all done and it's fully working. I obviously given it a service. Basically, it was totally clogged up. A lot of crap all around the cogs and stuff. Micro switch was pretty dirty, so I've given them a really good clean out. I mean, I use a little toothbrush there to clean all that stuff out, and then use some carb cleaner on the cogs. But yeah, basically it's fine. It's error free. It's been sitting here playing now for about 4 hours while I've been working around doing other bits and pieces. So yeah, all good. That's going to be in the post to you ASAP. Remember, you've got a 6-month warranty, free parts, free labour. All I ask for is the postage if you was to get any problems. I'm not saying that you will, because you shouldn't, but yeah, all good. Thanks very much, Luke. I hope you have fun. Please leave feedback when you get this, and I'm sure you're going to be very happy. Thank you.